Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one has the lighting package with adaptive high beam assist, full LED headlamps and tail lamps, appearance package with 20-inch multi-spoke wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, an espresso brown MB Tex interior with a burl walnut wood trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, third row seating, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, fold down third row seats, cargo cover, lane tracking package with blind spot assist, lane keep assist, premium 1 package with memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sills, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLS has 34,012 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.